Welcome to the lesson on Raspberry Pi operating system. Many operating systems are available for Raspberry Pi, including Raspberry Pi OS. This is officially supported operating system. There are operating systems from other organizations as well. Here you can see LibreELEC operating system. This provides operating system for Raspberry Pi. We can use this operating system to convert Raspberry Pi into a media center. And Ubuntu is also offering operating system for Raspberry Pi. This Ubuntu operating system is an open source desktop operating system that is being widely used around the world, complete with all essential applications for home, school and work. And you will see another operating system from RetroPie. This operating system will turn your Raspberry Pi into a retro gaming machine. And another operating system here, TLX OS. So this is Thin Linux OS, is a small downloadable custom Linux based operating system with minimal hardware requirements. And there are other operating systems as well. So here we are going to learn Raspberry operating system. So Raspberry Pi OS is recommended operating system for normal use on a Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi OS is a free operating system based on Debian and it is customized for Raspberry Pi hardware. Raspberry Pi OS comes with over 35,000 packages. All packages are pre-compiled softwares bundled in a nice format for easy installation on your Raspberry Pi. So you can easily install any software because there are so many packages available with your Raspberry Pi operating system. So how to install Raspberry Pi operating system image on your SD card? For this, you need a computer. You need class 10 SD card with minimum 16 GB storage. And also you need an SD card reader to flash image into the SD card. And also you need following software tools like SD card formatter and etcher. I'll be showing you now how to download and install SD card formatter and etcher. Now go to Google all of you. Here we'll be searching for SD card formatter. SD card formatter. So now you will see the first search result, SD memory card formatter. Click on this link. Now you will see this SD association. Scroll down and now you will see the options like this particular SD card formatter supports different operating systems, Windows, all versions, Mac. Okay, and scroll down, you will see SD memory card formatter download for Windows or Mac. Click on for Windows. Now scroll down. These are actually license agreements. Scroll down. Now you will see here decline or accept. So I'll be clicking on accept. Please click on accept. And you will see here SD card formatter version 5 Windows. Click OK. We have to save this file. And it will be downloading all of you. So you can see here downloading. Right. So it will be downloaded to the download section. So we have to go to download section once done all of you. So now go to downloads. So here you will see SD card formatter version 5. We have to extract this particular zip file all of you. Extract files here. Click OK. And click on S2 all. Now you will see here SD card formatter EN. So click on this. So SD card formatter. Open this. Now you will see SD card formatter 5.0.1 setup. Click on this all of you. Now do you want to run this file? Yes, we want to run this file. Click on this run. So it will take some time to install. So it's installing SD card formatter. So click on next. Now you will see welcome to the install shield wizard for SD card formatter. Click next. And now click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Now click on next to install. Now you will see the option install. Click on this install option. Now it is installing all of you. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Right, done. So we have installed SD card formatter. So we are launching this app. Click yes. So this is the SD card formatter. So this SD card formatter will help us to format existing SD cards. Okay, so always it is good to format SD cards before flashing Raspberry Pi OS image. Okay, right. So now I'll be closing this. Close this. Now again go to Google, all of you. Go to Google. Now we are going to install another software called as Etcher. Etcher is mainly to flash Raspberry Pi OS image into the SD card. For this, search here Etcher. Now you will see the first search result, Balena Etcher, flash OS images to SD cards and USB drives. Click on this link. You will see here flash. Okay, so now there is an option download for Windows. Click on this option. Now you will see this is the Etcher file. So this is actually size of 141 MB. Save file, all of you. Save file. It will take couple of seconds to save this file. So done with the downloading. So go to downloads now. Go to downloads and you will see here Balena Etcher setup. So click on this to install. So now do you want to run this file? Yes. So now click I agree. So it's installing Etcher software. Right. So this is the Etcher software. So we are going to use this software to flash a Raspbian image into the SD card. Before that, we need Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, so we have to download Raspberry Pi OS. Just close this also. Again, go to Google and we'll be downloading Raspberry Pi operating system. So Raspberry Pi OS, you will find this in Raspberry Pi Foundation website, that is raspberrypi.org. So operating system images, click here this link. Now operating system images, scroll down, you will see Raspberry Pi OS compatible with all Raspberry Pi models. So Raspberry Pi OS with desktop and recommended software. So this is the file we want to flash. So we have to download this file. Click on this to download, all of you, because we want to use Raspberry Pi OS with desktop along with the recommended softwares also. Like it comes with Python, Scratch programming, and Node-RED, and there are other packages as well included in this. So click here to download, and now save this file. So the size of this file is actually 2.8 GB, all of you. So you need to download this entire file to flash this file into our SD card.